10x squared minus 9x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. The thing we're dividing by has two terms, so let's set up long division. We're going to write this as 2x minus 1 into 10x squared minus 9x plus 2. And then there are three steps that repeat for a long division process. Divide, then multiply, then subtract. So we start by dividing the lead terms. 10x squared divided by 2x. When we divide these out, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and we'll reduce one of the x's, so we've got 5x. Let's line up the like terms, so 5x goes on top, and that's the first division step. Then we go and multiply. That means we take 5x and distribute it to every term in the divisor. So 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5x times negative 1 is negative 5x. The multiplication is done. Let's go on and subtract. When we distribute this minus sign through, it's going to change our signs to make this negative and make the 5x positive. Now when we combine these together, the 10x squareds cancel. Negative 9x and positive 5x gives us negative 4x. And then 2 is being added to nothing, so this 2 just comes along for the ride. That was the subtraction step. Now we hit the end of the line, we're going to go back to the front and divide again. So we're going to take the new leading term, negative 4x, and divide it by the leading term in the divisor. So negative 4x divided by 2x is negative 2. We've done the division. Next, we go and multiply. So we're going to take this negative 2 and distribute to both terms. So negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. After multiplying, we go on and subtract. So when we distribute this minus sign through, it'll change our signs. And if we combine like terms, we see that everything cancels, we get a remainder of 0. That tells us that the answer to this division problem is just 5x minus 2.